Back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, make sure to press on your subscribe button. And we have over 250 videos on our platform, on our channel. You can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. And also, if you are expecting a topic to be there and it's not there yet, you can leave a comment below, or you contact us with this line. Now, with this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is allowed also. Now, okay. Just to work on the application of a differentiation, which I will be based on this problem, this question. Is the question? This question was asked from one of our students, and we need to give, proper answer to it by teaching it so that he or she can understand it. I have this problem to solve. Now, before you solve this problem, don't forget there are conditions for this: maximum and minimum. Now, the condition goes this way. I have this. I told you that to come in a slope form. If you want to go and learn on our, we have a lot of videos on differential calculus, which you can later watch them and have this way. Now, I've told you this is going to be a point, and this is going to be a point. This point, we call it maximum value. Maximum point. And this is called a minimum. A minimum point. Now, the condition goes this way. D squared of y, which is second derivative, this one will be less than 0. And this of this will be greater than what? 0. That is very, very important. Now, but at a critical value, at critical point, the story will change. The story will change upside down, which I'll be having before. The story is like, at maximum now, at maximum, d squared y all over the x squared will now be greater, which is, it will be less than 0. It will be greater than 0, and also minimum d squared y of d squared will be less than 0. Please take note of that important information, Now, since I have that, now, okay, a critical point can also be called turning point. Don't forget that. Turning point or a star, something like that. Now, please take note of this information. They are very, very important. Now, with this, let me try to solve the problem above, which really help us. Solution to this problem. Now, I have my f of x equals to x cubed, raised to power 4x squared plus 3. Now, which also we call it y. Function will come to mapping, while this one is just like direct, image and a pre-image anyway. Now, since I have this form, I can turn it to what? D of this, which is going to be 4x cubed minus 4x. That is going to be at. This is now at. Now, at this point is known as what? At turning point, which at turning point it will be equals to what? Is 0. Which I have 4x cubed, 4x equals to 0. Now, I can turn it to x equals to 0, which also implies x bracket of x squared minus 1 equals to 0. Now s equals to 0, s equals to 1, and x equals to minus 1. That is going to be the next thing that we are to work on. Now that is very, very important. Since I move on, I will now move on to the next one, which is going to be d of x of square, which is second derivative. It will be equals to, I have 12 x squared minus 4. And I've stated the condition earlier, which the condition let us to know that. Since I have this condition, now I want to know maybe it's maximum or is what? Minimum. This time around, assuming you have this and you have it as a common number, which this squared is equals to minus 4. That condition can now be what? Directly be what? Now, since that condition is not there, it means I must to test by what? By the critical value. It means I'll be having when at s equals to 0. At s equals to 0. Now, it means at s equals to 0, don't forget that I've stated earlier that d squared y of x squared, it will be less than 0 maximum, and d squared y of x squared y to be greater than 0 minimum. Now, since I know this condition, now at the critical value, it means the story will change, which it will oppose. Now, it means I'll be having d of 0 squared plus 4, d of 0 squared plus 4, which I'll be having 0, 4, wait, this is minus 4, sorry, minus 4, which is going to be minus 4, It means that story will what? Will change over, which the story will what? Will change. Which the story will now be what? My d squared y will now be less than what? 0. Will now be less than 0, which I told you earlier, with it will be no, it will now be what? Maximum point. Now the next one at x equals to 1, which I'll be having 1 bracket of 1 squared minus 4, which it will be equals to 112, which is going to be 8, which is going to be 8. Yes, I'll be having 8. Now it means the story will now be what? Since d is equals to 8, it means is what? Is greater than 0, which it will be what? Minimum, which is going to be minimum. Now the last one, which I'm just to text for, the last one is at x equals to minus 1, which 2 bracket of minus 1 squared minus 4, which I will be having 8, yes, whatever I want to have is 8, which is going to be 8, is also d squared y is greater than 0. It's also a minimum. That is all about that. That is all. It means I've used the second derivative to test to find the maximum and minimum. I've done that, which is don't forget that you are on with Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Here and subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Share and subscribe to your friend. If you have any comments, you can drop it, or you contact us on this number. With this line, you can call us. You can also WhatsApp us. Telegram is allowed also. Thanks for watching.